Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that GMT has already broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we broke it out here in the month of October 2023. But since then, after this breakout, the price then could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. Previously, this level had been working as a very strong support zone here, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance. We got rejection here, and here for a while we broke it out, but got rejected by another downtrend line resistance. By the way, this downtrend line resistance is coming from the month of September 2022. We got few rejections here, two more rejections here, one more rejection or two more rejections here, and two more rejections here as well. And you can see that we also got rejected several times by this resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents here and here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for a Kawa land, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 14th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GMT. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of April 2023, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And when it was quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we found a quite long-term support here at 14 cents. In those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this wedge. And now you can see that we have broken out this resistance of the wedge. And so far from this low, when we were testing this support up till this high, it has rallied almost 224%, but could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance, and also got rejected by this long-term resistance that starts from 40 cents and goes to 51 cents. You can see that for the past several months, it is again working as a very, very strong resistance. And now recently we have broken down the support of 30 cents, and previously it had been working as a support here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance. We got rejection here, in here, and now again, it can work as a strong resistance. And now the next upcoming support is here at 22 cents. That had been previously breaking as a support here, and support here as well. Now, if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance, that is another very, very strong hurdle for the price end that is not letting the price end to move more up or continue this rally to the upside so far. You can see we got stable rejections by this resistance, like we got rejection here, here, and here as well. And this time we have broken out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And there is a probability that now after breaking out this lower band, soon it may also break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But at the same time, you can see we have a lot of resistance levels here. We have this Ichimoku bearish cloud, a very, very strong long-term resistance. We have this downtrend line resistance, and we have this very long-term resistance on as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the outside, we will still need to break out these all resistance levels. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this huge breakout from this wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.